Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add SSH key on GitHub. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in github.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to GitHub if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us here. In the top left corner, as you can see, we have the three lines where you have your home, issues, pull request, etc. And in the top right corner, as you can also see, we have the set status, your profile, project settings, and a lot of things here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add SSH key on GitHub. It is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So, to add an SSH key on GitHub, follow these steps. Go to your GitHub settings page, so go to the top right corner, click on your profile picture, and click on settings. After that, click the new SSH key button. So when you go and click on that button, after that in the title field and descriptive label for new key, in the key field, paste your public SSH key. And then just click add SSH key to save everything. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, that will be everything for this video. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.